video of me applying my glitter lip kit by GlitterGlam Collections. But anyway, yes, I will be using my own products. I hand make my own cosmetic products. I hand make my own lip gloss. I hand make my own lipstick. I hand make my own body gloss. So I have not released my lipsticks just yet, but here is one of them. This is the one that I use personally. I am still trying. About my lipstick, they are made with natural products such as grapeseed oil, coconut oil. Everything is harm-free, cruelty-free. The glitter lip that I will be achieving today is a part of the Curtain Call collection. This is like a glitter blue. What I can say is that whatever color lipstick you put on under doesn't matter for real. Just simply because it will be covered with all this glitter. So I'm gonna use like a plum color. So here is my GlitterGlam lipstick. I'm gonna apply some on. Only need a little bit. Yep. So I put that on. And as you can tell, this lipstick, it got like a little a pearl shine to it. Yeah, I know what that's about. But next I will put on the primer. Now the primer is what bonds the glitter to your lipstick. I make my own primer too. Get at me. Here's just a little drop of it. I don't play around with my products for real, so a little drop for this little video. So here I go, putting on my primer. Now what I can say is it would be best to do one lip at a time. Just so while you're working on the bottom lip, the primer not just drying up on your top lip. And I don't know why I'm doing blue, because I don't even think I'm wearing blue tonight. Okay, so as you can see, it is covered on my bottom lip. And I'm going to take another applicator. And I'm going to dip the applicator into the glitter. This glitter is so pretty. And when I dip the glitter into the applicator, I'm going to pat it on my lips. Not rub it, pat it. And you just do this until you fill in every spot. Oh! So I just completed the bottom lip. Now let me do the top lip. Now I'm using the same applicator that I used to put the primer on before. but I don't use the same applicator to dip the glitter. How about that? As the glitter applicator. Now you can see I put a lot more primer on my top lip. Just because that top lip be moving. Now what I do is I put it on the top of my lip, just so I can get every little crease. And then I go and clean it up. But as you can see, I'm bad. This glitter glam, y'all. Ooh, glitter everywhere. Who cares? Now I am done. And now all I have to do is clean up my edges. Just like brush around it, or I take a little wet paper towel and I just clean cut it. But this is how you achieve the glitter lip kit using GlitterGlam Collection products. And again, lipstick, primer, come in one of these little sample tubes, and then the glitter, 2 applicators.